All right, I'm finally ready to share some secrets. How I closed 38 real estate transactions my first year in real estate. Stay tuned. All right, thank you for staying tuned to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, this is the place for real estate, business funding, credit, and home loans. So go ahead and press that like button, hit subscribe and the bell notification. This way you are notified every time I post a new video. All right, so let's face it. The first year in real estate can be extremely challenging. Okay, many of us do know that after passing that exam, that's just the beginning. It's not the end, okay? Because the real estate pre-licensing course, it basically teaches you the laws of real estate, how to not do anything illegal, and how to stay out of jail. But it does not teach you how to get business, how to make money, okay? So you've invested all this time studying and paying for the course. Let's talk about how to make some money and get that money back. All right, so the first thing I did after joining a small boutique brokerage, and a lot of people were kind of to themselves, there was no camaraderie or no team or anything like that. So I had to kind of figure things out on my own. I did a lot of searching online, just a lot of research on my own, right? So the first thing I did, I started paying for advertising. All right. Now, back in the day when I got licensed in 2012, you actually could get really good leads on a lot of the major real estate sites. All right. If you want some details about real estate sites, I would recommend today, go ahead and post a comment or question in the comment section. I'll be happy to share it. But back in the day, you could put in couple $100 a month and your phone would ring constantly day and night. So that is pretty much how I started to get clients in and started to get into the habit of what to say and how to say it as a realtor. All right, so next I started actually meeting clients, okay? I started meeting some of these people who were calling over the phone from my advertising. And so I started showing houses. And outside of that, though, I started to blog. So I would the best neighborhoods that I liked and enjoyed, or some of the neighborhoods that I would show to the buyers, I would start blogging. So back in the day, it was popular to use blogger.com, but in this day, there are so many new school tools that are better for real estate bloggers. So I would type and talk about the neighborhoods, what I liked, maybe even talk about what has sold recently or the prices in the areas. So blogging was a great way to start getting clients and making money in real estate. So how did I make money blogging, okay, as a realtor? Well, once you blog, if it's done the right way, what will happen is people will start to find you. People will start to find you online, which leads to my next step of how I closed 39 transactions the first year in real estate. All right. What happened were international and out of state people, not just in my local area, but people in other states were able to find me based on the information I blogged about. So now keep in mind, though, at the time I did do a lot of typing on blogger.com, but blogs today consist of course, videos and writing, YouTube, social media sites, all of that. So get to blogging. If you don't have clients yet, start blogging and the clients will come. If you're getting anything so far from this video, go ahead and drop a green heart in the comment section. I would really appreciate it, and it helps me to keep going and delivering more content to you. All right, now speaking of social media, all right, if I did a top 5 list or top 10 social media would definitely be at the top of my list of how I closed 39 transactions my first year in real estate. All right. Social media played such a vital role in me getting business. Okay. I wouldn't constantly say, hey, I'm a realtor. Hey, I'm a realtor. Send me clients. I wouldn't constantly do that. What I would do is just, post houses. It's similar to a blog. Post houses, talk about them, talk about neighborhoods, give real estate tips, top 3 tips, top 5 to-dos if you're thinking about buying. Different things like that on social media will cause you to get a following and cause people to start asking you questions about real estate. Okay, so if you don't yet have a social media following, I strongly recommend you start today. And with social media, don't ever follow the trends of what's the hottest, but go to the place that you're most comfortable with. All right. So if your personality is LinkedIn, go to LinkedIn. But if your personality is crazy like TikTok, go there. All right. So choose the social media platform that works best for your personality because you want to be comfortable. If you're not comfortable, you'll never get started. All right, we are almost to the end of this video. Now, before we get to the end, drop a comment below. I really would like to know how you closed your first deal in real estate. Where did the lead come from? All right. So this is gonna lead to my final thought about how I closed 39 transactions, real estate transactions, my first year in real estate, and that was family and friends. All right. Of course, I was excited about my new career. I told everybody, okay? I told family, friends, hey, I just got my real estate license. Okay. And of course, some friends came through and bought up some property. So that was it. You could call them, you could text them, you could ask family and friends to share your information with anyone they know who might be looking to buy, sell, or invest real estate. It's really that simple. All right, so that is how I closed 39 transactions my first year in real estate. Now, if you want to hear more real estate strategies on how to close more deals, subscribe to the channel. I am going to start posting more about getting a real estate license and how I closed over 500 real estate deals since 2012. All right, so and also, in addition to that, if you are thinking about getting your real estate license, but you have some questions or you haven't gotten started yet, take a look in the description box below. I'm going to post my affiliate link with Real Estate Express. They help people to get their real estate license within 90 days. So, and if you have any questions about that, don't hesitate to leave those below as well. All right, it's Katina Willis, and this is the place for real estate, business funding, credit, home loans. Hey, I will see you next time.